Welcome to ID Mobile's automated phone service, where you can check your balance and allowances, make a payment, report your phone lost or stolen, upgrade or cancel your contract. Our support channels are online. If you're looking for assistance with your ID account or need to speak to one of our chat advisors, visit idmobile.co.uk/contact us. Don't forget you can manage your ID account by using the free ID app. If you're a vulnerable customer looking for help, we have dedicated services available for you. Visit idmobile.co.uk/accessibility for ways you can get in touch. To continue using our automated services, please listen to the following options.
If you're experiencing issues making calls following the 3G network switch off, please visit community.idmobile.co.uk for troubleshooting steps to help resolve the problem.
Main menu. For allowance and balance information, to make a payment or for other billing queries, press 1. For upgrades, plan changes, or to cancel your ID plan, press 2. To register your phone lost or stolen, press 3. To find out how to get help with your ID account, press 4. To find help about recent purchases, returns, or cancelling your order, press 5. To hear about roaming charges, press 6.